Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to switch to the QuickBooks Online from QuickBooks Desktop, then this video is for you. So if you want to switch from your QuickBooks Desktop to your QuickBooks Online and don't know how to start it or where to start it and how you can transfer all of your file and data, so here in this video I'm going to talk about everything. So first thing, you have to log into your QuickBooks Online. So once you are on your QuickBooks Online account, from here you have to do is go to their official website, and here you can find different types of plans, and there are 4 types of plan here available. So you can choose one of them from here and you can learn each and every benefit of this each plans from here. So you can compare between them and choose which one suits you better. Then you can select the plan and purchase it. Then you have to do is go to the QuickBooks support. Now you can find the for sale option here, or if you go to the very bottom, you can find this number here, or the QuickBooks official website, you can find this number that will help you to contact with a representative from the QuickBooks Online. So you can talk about transfer your all the data and files from your QuickBooks Desktop to your QuickBooks Online. Then they will do the rest. You don't need to do anything. You have to give all the informations and credentials, so they can help you to transfer all the data and file from your QuickBooks Desktop to your QuickBooks Online. So once you have done, you also can chat with them. So for that, you have to do is scroll down and you can find the contact us button here. Simply click on contact us, where you can select QuickBooks Online, or you can select the QuickBooks Desktop. So I'm going to select Online. Now simply click on continue. Now from here you can find the help, where you can find the assistant from here. So you can talk with an assistant from here. So you can go with the live chat. So this first the bot will greet you as well as like the other platform. So you have to talk about that you want to transfer all of your data, or you want to like, I want to switch from desktop to online. Then you can hit enter, and the bot will help you to connect you with a real person, a representative from the QuickBooks. Then you can just talk about the transfer, why you want to transfer and why you want to switch to the QuickBooks Online, and they will ask you for purchase a plan. If you have already purchased a plan, you have to give the credentials. Then they will help you to transfer all the data from your QuickBooks Desktop to your QuickBooks Online. So that's pretty much all, team. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.